Good morning students, welcome to computer class. Today we will study about C programming operators. In last lecture you studied C program for addition of two number. Addition of two numbers के लिए आपने C program study किए थे. So today we will study about C programming operators. So what is operators? Operators are the symbol which operate on the value or a variable. जो ऑपरेट करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं वेरिएबल पर और वैल्यूज़ पर, दैट कैन चेंज ड्यूरिंग द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, दैट कॉल्ड्स वेरिएबल, दैट मे बी ए बी सी एंड एनी नेम you can give to a variable. All right, so if I say a plus b, then a and b are variable and plus is a operator. All right students, I hope you understood. Operators are the symbols which operate on the values. जो values पर operate करते हैं, work करते हैं, that is called your operator. I give you again one example. A plus b, that will be a and b are the variable and plus will be the operator. ठीक है, a and b को हम variable की जगह operands भी कह सकते हैं. ठीक है. So C programming language has a wide range of operators. There are 5 types of operators here. First is your arithmetic operator, second is your relational operator, third is your assignment and logical operator, and fifth is your conditional operator. These 5 operators are included in the C programming language. All right, so what are these operators? कौन कौन सी कैटेगरी में कौन से ऑपरेटर्स आते हैं? यू कैन सी हेयर. अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर में आता है आपका प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीज़न एंड मॉडुलस. These are your arithmetic operators. You studied all these operators in mathematics. So let's continue. So arithmetic operator are to perform numerical operations. So addition you can see x plus y, and subtraction you can see x minus y, and multiplication will be x multiplied by y, and division will be x divided by y, and modulo division gives the reminders to you. Alright, this is the one program of arithmetic operations. You can see here. Next operator comes here is relational operator. Relational operators carries less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equals to. So these are the categories comes in the relational operator. And first is your arithmetic operator, second is your relational operator, and next operator will come here is logical operator. All right, so you have to revise which category comes in which operator. In logical operator, first operator will be AND operator, second will be OR operator, and third will be NOT operator. Next operator comes here is assignment operator. First is equal to operator. Equals to mean A assign the value to the B. A की जो वैल्यू है वो हम B को असाइन करते हैं, that it's called assignment operator. And A plus equal to B means A is equal to A plus B, and A minus equal to B is equal to A is equal to A minus B, and A multiply equal to B means A equal to A multiply by B, and in last A divided by B, that is equal to A equal to A upon B. These are the assignment operator. So last operator is your conditional operator. First we will apply condition, after that expression 1 and semicolon expression 2. If our condition is true, then it will give the result of expression 1. Otherwise, in the false case, it gives the result of expression 2. So you have to write all these 5 operators in your fair notebook today.